Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper on the Google Pixel 10. So if you want to change the wallpaper, the first thing that we're going to do is just hold on our home screen, so on like an empty space, until this menu appears. Now we can select like a wallpaper from one of these suggested ones, but if you want to do another one, select wallpaper and style, and here you can select pretty much anything you want, from like colors to like custom wallpapers to photos. So just select more wallpapers, press choose a photo, and then from here just select the photo that you want. I'm gonna use this one. And here you can also add effects if you want. So just let it load, and you can add like shapes, you can do different colors, and pretty much anything you want. So once you're satisfied, just press next and select which one you want, and then press apply. So now, once we return to our home screen, there we go. The wallpaper is now changed on both of the screens. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.